In this video, I'm going to go over the LC4 Music Lab System. This lab system is made by J.L. Cooper Electronics, and it's the same lab system that they make for Yamaha, Roland, and Kawai. They just silk screen a different logo on it. This lab system is run off of Cat45 Ethernet cable. In my lab, our IT department was awesome enough to install a racetrack that goes down through the ceiling and down the back wall so that I can connect all of my pianos in this piano lab. In this lab, we have 23 Yamaha Clavinovas. We have the CLP 545. We have them in rows of 4, with the exception of the first row because of the door. So we only have 1, 2, 3 on the first row. Because of that, we don't have a piano number 4. So this is piano 1, 2, 3, and we don't have a piano 4. And the reason we don't have a piano 4 is that one of the features of this lab system is a button called pairs. So if I hit this button, all the pianos are paired with the piano next to them. So these students can hear each other playing in their headphones, and they can practice duets. So our piano 3 in the back, sadly, does not have a pair. Okay, so each piano has a number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One thing that I hate about this system is that it has banks. So I have to hit bank 1 to hear pianos 1 through 8. I have to hit bank 2 to hear 9 through 16. And I have to hit bank 3 to hear 17 through 24. And as you continue to add banks, you can continue up to 48 pianos. Our IT department also put the lab box in this teaching station. So that's kind of nice. It's mounted in this teaching station out of the way. Each student piano and teacher piano has one of these boxes. This is the Cat45 cable that connects to this lab system in the back. And then this controller also connects to that lab system in the back. Each one of these boxes also connects to the piano with a double male 1/4-inch cable. And then each box has a microphone jack and a headphone jack for each student. My teacher box has 3 because we have a pair of wireless headphones that we also use. But the student pianos, they will only have 2 jacks being plugged in. So I can hit a button and hear each student. If I hit button 5, I'm listening to piano 5. If I hit button 6, I'm hearing piano 6. If I hit the all button, it makes everyone listen to my microphone in their headphones and or my piano in their headphones. So that is the all control button. When you hit that button, you have all control and your students are powerless to play or listen to anything but you, the teacher. I can also hit the mute all button. And when I hit that button, their pianos don't work either. And they get frustrated. When I hit the broadcast button, whoever I have selected is broadcast to all the other students' headphones, and they all have to listen to the performance of whoever is selected. Students do not like that button. They do not like to be broadcast into their peers' ears. They feel very self-conscious. So row 1 is 1, 2, 3. Row 2 is 5, 6, 7, 8. Row 3 is 9, 10, 11, 12. Row 4 is 13, 14, 15, 16. Row 5 is 17, 18, 19, 20. And row 6 is 21, 22, 23, 24. Our lab also has a Creston control center, which allows us to connect various computers and devices. We have a Dell desktop, which connects to our Epson projector so that everybody in the lab can see what is on the screen. We use a piece of software called Classroom Maestro. Classroom Maestro is kind of a smart board for music. It's connected to the teacher piano, and what the teacher piano plays can be shown on the screen, which can then be projected to everybody in the class. On our teacher piano, I have an assignable button, number 2, and that will allow me to toggle back and forth with the speaker being out loud or being in the student's headphones and the teacher's headphones as well. So that's important if you want to play out loud versus playing in everyone's headphones. Okay, Classroom Maestro can be used to show what I, the teacher, am playing on this computer. This computer is then shown on the projector on the big screen in the front of the classroom. So the classroom can see exactly what I'm playing. Classroom Maestro has various functions. One of those is chord. So if I hit C for chord and I play a C chord, it's going to analyze it. If I hit A for analysis, it will turn off. If I hit J, it will toggle between Roman numerals and jazz chord notation. Okay, if I hit S for scales, and I had 7 fingers, I'm gonna hit caps lock and it will lock what I'm playing. And my analysis is on, it will tell me what scale I am playing. So that's kind of a little smart system. So C for chord, S for scale, N for note. If I want to add a sharp, I hit the up button, the up arrow. If I want to take away a sharp, I hit the down arrow. If I want to add a flat, I keep hitting the down arrow. If I want to take away a flat, I hit the up arrow. Okay, another great option on here is chord progression mode. So I hit P for chord progression. I hit my first chord and I'm going to push on my pedal. And I keep pushing on my pedal to advance my chord. I can hit delete and delete my mistakes. Again, I can take the analysis to be Roman numeral by hitting J. that might be helpful for some nice jazz chord progressions or some classical chord progressions. Okay, if I'm in scale mode, I can have the key show up, or I can hit K and not have the key show up. Because if I hit K again, it'll show me what my key signature is. So K will hide the key signature. So if I'm playing a chord and I want it to favor flats, I need to be in a flat key. So that's kind of a basic overview of our lab and how to use it. I think one of the biggest things is we don't want students unplugging anything from the boxes. Some of the headphones aren't great. Some of the headphones will only hear in one ear. And kids start pulling things, and then I have to rewire 23 pianos worth in the lab, and that's not fun. Every piano should have a headset with a microphone, and you should be able to just hit the numbers and communicate with everybody. Hopefully that video has helped you see how the LC4 lab system works in a piano lab, and gives you a little insight with Classroom Maestro. I'll make a more detailed Classroom Maestro video later, but just wanted to cover some of the basics to get you through class.